we've got a beast of a truck to share with you. Utilizing 3 gorgeous mahoganies to create a custom-bodied vehicle, we're willing to bet you can't guess the origins of this behemoth ride.
Here we are, and I'm with my Bistione, which is a 1915 American LaFrance fire truck that we salvaged and saved. It's very large, 7,000 pounds. The only thing that we actually do to improve on it is we have to add our power steering to it so you can turn it, because it is 100 years old, and we also put in disc brakes so we don't run over somebody. 14 liters, 6 cylinders, 24 plugs. And the reason there's 24 plugs is that's an overkill. Well, you have 2 on the magneto, 2 on the distributor. And the reason for that is 100 years ago, which this falls in that category, is that gas was so unreliable and was bought in apothecary shops. And you could drop a match in it and it might not go off. So you needed a lot of fire to make it go. So that's what we do. And if you smile when you saw it, I won. That's exactly what it was designed to do.
How much fun would you have taking this truck for a spin? Comment your thoughts, and we'll see you next time for another show-stopping story.